Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your account over on the Headspace app. So basically, in order to delete your Headspace app account, what you need to do is just head over to the Headspace app, and in order to delete your account, what you simply need to do is head over to the bottom right corner of your screen at your profile icon, and then head over to the top left corner of your screen at that settings icon. And basically, once you've done that, what you need to do is click on account and subscription. It will most likely pop up something with a subscription. Just click on OK, and once you've done that, click on delete right here, and that will basically delete your account. Now we are not done yet, so what we need to do is simply click on delete account right here, and now it's basically has deleted our account. So yeah, just click on delete account, then click on that clear red button basically to delete your account, and that's all you need to do in order to delete your account over the Headspace app. So if you learned something in this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.